guys, it's Cool Tool Tuesday and we're going to be talking about these auto-adjust horizontal dog clamps from Armatool. Bench dogs and dog clamps have become really popular here in Australia. It's taken a bit longer than the US to really take on, but now it really seems like the way that traditional sort of fine woodworkers are starting to go. There's a bunch of different types of dog clamps available. There's inline dog clamps, horizontal dog clamps, traditional style dog clamps, and these auto-adjust dog clamps. These traditional style dog clamps are a time-honoured system. So the original way they used to be was just one bar bent over that you'd slam in and hammer down. It would hold your piece of work until you wedged it up, you'd take that out and you were done. It was quick clamping, but it's not the most subtle way to clamp, and it can lead to damaging fine veneers and expensive timbers. These Armatool dog clamps are really quick and easy to use. Your benefits being, they do have like an auto-adjust system, which means once you've set the pressure, it doesn't matter if you're putting something 2 centimeters or 5 centimeters thick, clamping it down, when you slide that down and lock in to engage that clamp, it'll be giving the same pressure here. Awesome if you're doing, as we said before, fine veneers and important things that you cannot damage. These clamps can rotate 360 degrees and obviously can be used in any dog holes along your bench, so they're super versatile. They've got a soft padded head, it swivels as well, so if you're doing some things that maybe aren't just a square piece of timber, something with an angle, it'll still hold that quite well. With a quick twist of this little mechanism in here, it changes the pressure on the clamp, which will go from anywhere from 25 pounds all the way up to 400 pounds. So it's quite a varied range of pressures you can use. At full extension, you'll be able to fit something under there that's about 12.5, 13 centimeters thick, which is quite a decent size. The other main advantage of using a clamp like this is they are literally about a third of the price of the previous clamp we just showed before, the traditional style. So if you are setting up a dog bench, this is a great way to economically get a wide range of different styles of clamps to give you pretty much everything you need on your workbench. For more information on this particular clamp or any of the other dog products available at TimberCon, click on the link below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week, guys.